Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block unwanted Yahoo mails. So for this purpose, first you need to open your Yahoo Mail account. Then here at the top right corner, you have this box of account info. At the front of this, you can see small arrow. Just tap on it. Once you done this, then this will pop up. Here you need to click on settings. At the front of this box, you have this button of go. Click on it. Then here at the left side of the screen, you have the option of blocked addresses. Tap on it. Once you done this, then this will pop up on your screen. Here you can see this box. Here what you need to do, just enter that email which you want to block. Once you enter it, then at the front of this you can this button of add. Click on it. Then here you can see that this email is entered in block addresses. For removing this email from blocked addresses, at the front of email you have this small trash icon. Tap on it. Here you can see that it will automatically removed. So this is how you can block unwanted Yahoo mails. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.